it's Miss Haley. I hope you're ready to have a lot of fun today. We have some cool stuff in store, so let's get started.
Arts with Haley at the Moose Jaw Public Library, yeah.
Today we'll be making this cute pig craft and doing a fun experiment. For the craft, all you'll need is construction paper, paint, and a marker. Dip your foot in the paint or paint it directly onto the bottom of your foot. Press your foot against the construction paper to make a print. Let it dry. Once it's dry, draw little pig faces on each of your toes. Now, you have turned your little piggies into actual piggies. How adorable is this? You can add drawings around it, maybe write your name or decorate it however you would like from here. This is a fun experiment to do with your kids to explain the importance of washing our hands during the coronavirus pandemic. What you'll need is pepper, which acts as the germs, a bowl of water, which acts as the surface of our skin on our hands, and soap. Shake the pepper on top of the water. Give it a good coating. These are the germs that are on the surface of our skin. Have your child stick one fingertip directly into the bowl of water with the pepper or germs on it. You'll see that the germs stick all over your hand when you don't wash your hands. Now, rub a clean fingertip in soap. Make sure it's coated well. Stick the finger with the soap on it into the germy water and watch the germs spread out across the water. This is because the soap breaks down the virus. That's all I have for you this week, but I hope you share photos and videos of you trying out today's activities in the comments below, because as I always say, the best part of art is sharing it with others. I hope you all have a great week, stay healthy, and keep creating.
Arts with Haley at the Moose Jaw Public Library.